dive into our selection of swimming pools. 1. Hide and seek. A large garden offers scope to position the pool away from the house and to create a dedicated environment for the feature, like the one above. Landscape and garden designer Andy Sturgeon suggests disguising the pool behind a low wall or a hedge to blend it into the surrounding area. 2. To infinity and beyond. Infinity-edged pools offer an exciting swimming experience, blurring the line between the water and landscape beyond. Ideal for a contemporary garden with panoramic views, such as the one by Clearwater Revival above, infinity pools are the designer's choice for modern settings. For a classic home, choose a more conventional pool and frame the views so that they can be enjoyed by swimmers from the water, advises garden and landscape designer Janine Pattison. 3. Step right up. If your garden is on a slope, build a partly raised pool into the terraced section and use coping to double as seating. Janine Pattison recommends composite decking around a raised pool, as it is non-slip and low maintenance. An expert will make sure the pool is integrated into your design and not too high off the ground. 4. Villa retreat. Installing a heated pool in a sunny, sheltered spot close to or within the house, the one above is by gun-cast swimming pools, or a garden building with a dedicated changing area creates the experience of a luxury holiday home. Janine Pattison recommends a consistent water depth of 5 feet, which is deep enough for adults to swim in and is also suitable for older children to enjoy safely. 5. On the curve. In an awkwardly shaped garden, a pool with a free-flowing design is a good way to make the most of the space, suggests Janine Pattison. If you prefer clean lines and symmetry, use planting to fill the awkward areas left around the straight sides. 6. A dip in the country. Period country houses can look at odds with a modern tile pool. Andy Sturgeon advises edging the pool with your core sandstone, and lining it with tiles to match the paving, to create a more natural appearance. An Italianate-style planting scheme will help blend the pool into a traditional landscape. If you choose to have a pool house as well, then create one with architectural features that echo those of the house. 7. Hidden gem. In a city garden, use plants, walls, screens and canopies to shield your pool from neighbors' windows and to hide it when it is covered during the winter. A small round or rectangular plunge pool can double as a water feature, providing a beautiful focal point for your outdoor space. 8. How to illuminate a pool. Good lighting helps to make swimming safer and adds ambience and drama to a design, says Janine Pattison. We use LEDs in and around our pools because they have a long life and lower running costs. They also have color change capability, so different moods can be created at the touch of a button.